Want to use multiple AI models from one place without changing your code every time? In this video, I will show you how to install and use OmniRoute step by step. Before we get started, let me discuss about what is OmniRoute. OmniRoute is a lightweight router that let you connect different AI provider through one unified endpoint. So instead of changing your application for every provider, you can configure OmniRoute once and switch model easily. So let's see how you can install OmniRoute. So for this, at first you will open a browser, then simply search OmniRoute. Then here you will find the GitHub repository, or you will go to this website. Let me go to this website. I will provide this website link and GitHub repository link in the video description, so you can check out that. From here, you will simply click this start free. You don't have to pay anything. It will provide 268 providers on endpoint auto fallback, never hit limits. So you can enjoy unlimited coding and never stop building. So to get started, click this start free. Now you will have to follow this 3 steps. At first, you will have to install it and run it, then connect a free provider and point your ID. So let's do it step by step. We'll copy this npm command, open a terminal. You can use your terminal or PowerShell to execute this command. I will simply paste this command here. We're going to install OmniRoute globally. Let me press enter. It takes few seconds to complete the package installation. We'll have to wait until it's completed. Okay, when it's done, you can simply clear this and now command OmniRoute to start the OmniRoute server. We'll simply press enter. Now you can see it's OmniRoute and it's redirect to the URL localhost 20128 login. Here you will have to log in to access the server. So you need a password. You can see the default password is this one. Copy this and paste it here and simply continue. Right now you are on this dashboard. Here you can see home, endpoints, API key section, provider, embedded service, combo studio, and lots of other stuff available here. Okay, so what you will have to do, you will go to this home section and you can see this is the quick start. At first you will have to create an API key, then you will have to connect a provider. It supports OAuth, API key, and free tiers. Then point your client to your ID or API client, then monitor your token uses, cost and errors, request log and analytics. Okay, so let's follow all of this stuff. If you need more details, you can just go to this full documentation section. Here you can see this documentation is for non-tech users and this is for tech users. You can explore all of this as you need. Let me go back. Here we will create an API key. You can see I have already created an API key. I will simply delete this and now we'll show you how to create an API key. Look, under this API key, you can see create API key. We'll click here. Now you will put an API key name. You can just name anything here. We'll say test API and you don't need to configure anything. Simply click this create API. So this is your API key. Simply copy this and done. Next thing is that you will go to the provider section and here you can pick your provider. Here you can see lots of provider available. Already 295 provider is available to use. You can choose Chemicode CLI, Integravity, Client, Claude and other stuff. Codex is available also here. Here Cursor ID, Terra, Jade ID and lots of providers available. You can choose any of it or you can just click this free tier to see which AI is free for use. You can just simply connect any of these. Okay, so in this video actually I would like to use Claude code. So here we will simply search Claude and you can see Claude code is here. To add this provider you will simply click here. Now let me click this add connections. It will redirect to the authorization sections. You will have to log into your Claude account. So simply let me log in and now authorize it. You will copy this authentication code and now close this. You will have to provide your authorized code. Let me paste it here and then connect. So it's successfully connected. You can see right now you can use Claude code. When it's connected, if you back to your home section, you can see Claude is connected and it's right now active. You can use it directly from here. So if you want to use another provider, you can go to this provider section. Then choose any of it. Let me choose a free provider. I will go to this free tier, and right now we'll choose Integravity CLI. Here we'll click add connections, and now continue. You will have to log into your Integravity accounts. So copy this and then open a new tab and press enter. So it says please copy the URL from the address bar and paste it in the applications. Click this enter URL manually and we'll copy this, and now we'll put it here. Let me connect. So you can see it's also connected. If you back to the home and see, right now Claude Code and Integravity is active. Okay, so the final thing is that you will have to use it. So how you can do that? So let me try to use Integravity CLI. We will open a new terminal. Now let me open a project on this terminal. So for this, actually maybe demo project is okay. We'll simply type cd to change directory and just drag this and press enter. Okay, so here to use Integravity, you can simply command AGY and press enter. Right now you can see welcome to Integravity CLI. Let me log into the Integravity using Google OAuth. Here I will choose my accounts, sign in, copy this clipboard, and let me paste it here. I will press enter. You can see I am using Integravity, and you can just start coding from here. So let me try to do something. We'll say hi, and you can see it's replying. You can try to build your project, or you can just start getting your sheet done from here using OmniRoute. Let me close this. By following this method, you can connect any of this provider and start coding for free. If you need any suggestions or if you struggle with connecting any provider, just leave a comment. I will provide a video on that topic. Thank you.